Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to the Deived channel. Let's go. As you already know, I'm back from Colombia and a lot has happened while I was away. And right now we got CPI news, some trade peace on the horizon, and Nvidia just went God mode with their new AI cloud. So let's chill, look at the stock market heat map, check crypto bubbles, and just vibe together, guys, because I'm gonna play some music in the background because that's what we do over here in this channel, guys. If you like the content, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, ring the bells. You get notified every time we are online. Okay, guys, and hit that subscribe if you're new and say hi in the chat. Okay, I'll be reading your names in real time. Okay, and let's see. If someone sends a super chat today, I'll give you a fire 15-second instant market roast or compliment of your choice. And hey, if you become a member during the stream, I'll shout you out live with a special alert. Okay? So, CPI came in way cooler than expected, guys. Okay? It says over here in Seeking Alpha, the monthly CPI was only 0.1%. Core CPI, excluding food and energy, 0.1% too. That's a big win for the market because it means inflation is chilling a bit. And stocks popped pre-market. S&P, Nasdaq, and Dow are green across the board. As you can see, S&P up 0.2%, Nasdaq 0.3%, and the Dow futures 0.2%, guys. Not bad at all. Yields fell to 10-year down to 4.43%. That's bond love right there. Also, did y'all see the trade news? U.S. and China might be making peace again. Could be huge, huge, huge for rare earths and semis. But here's the real headline today, guys. It is Nvidia is building the world's first industrial AI cloud in Europe. 10,000 GPUs, BMW, Mercedes, and Siemens are already in. This is like when Tony Stark built his first arc reactor, and we're all just watching it unfold. Massive implications for factory automation, AI, and the entire digital twin space. Let's go ahead and pull up the stock market heat map so we can see what happened yesterday. And not a lot of movement yesterday because we were waiting for that CPI data. And if you're wondering where can I get the CPI data as fast as possible, forexfactory.com, and go to calendar. This website has helped me so much, so many years. And yes, I totally forgot about this CPI data. I had some trades that I wanted to keep a close eye on, and it took me out, bro. 7:30 a.m. literally. I should have known better. But that's why you gotta look at forexfactory.com/calendar. Thursday, we got the core PPI, unemployment claims. And Friday, we got preliminary UOM consumer sentiment and inflation expectations. So keep an eye on that, guys. I want to see this change when the market opens, which will be in 9 minutes. And then the crypto bubbles, I believe crypto should be a little bit green. I believe Bitcoin and Ethereum. Ethereum actually reached 2,800. Well, the last hour is a little bit red. Let's look at the day. A little bit mixed here and there. Let me go over here to the charts. So Bitcoin is at 109,759. We are at a resistance, but it seems like we can definitely break the resistance to 111 or even 120. I think 120, if we do a Fibonacci, yes, it could be 118. Yeah, definitely can get there, or even further, 130s, even 140s. So right now, if you're trying to become a millionaire with Bitcoin, it's going to be a little bit tougher because you need 100K. Before, Bitcoin was obviously way lower than that. Bitcoin was at 5,000. I remember when I moved over here to Chicago, Bitcoin was at 5,000. That was my first entries, and it did go to 20K, went back down to 4,000, and I started doing the YouTube live streams, and bro, we were at 10,000 when we were doing that. We went to 60s. I had a bad, bro, over here I had a bad moment in life in 2020s to 2022 called COVID, and I think everybody did. And then after that, we went back down to 16,000 and pushed back up to 109,000, which is insane. And now we're at 109,783. Ethereum is at 2,811. Yeah, 2,811. I still hold my Ethereum. I did have entries at 1800s. I would have held the last positions that I had, but hey, I had to take some profits. I went to Colombia. I had to take some money with me. XRP is at 2.32. Cardano is at 0.72. And so on, so on. He is risen. Welcome. Good to see you, my friend. Dímelo. Hey, Rostam. Thank you for the super chat, bro. What do you want me to do, bro?
Finish him.
What is it, bro, Rostam? You gotta become a member, bro. Welcome. Thank you, my bro. Thank you. What is that? I am now rich and wealthy due Trump's epic bull run. Oh, really? You are rich right now? Because of... Wow, that's crazy. On key stock, please, David. Yeah, let's do a review of your choice, bro. I mean, if you supported me, I gotta review it. So you are taking a look at Unicisive Therapeutics, okay? You are bro. Rostam loves penny stocks, bro. He loves penny stocks. I don't know where you get it, bro. But right now it's pretty flat. Not a lot that I can say about it. Let's look at the monthly. Let's start with the monthly. You know what I mean? Always start with the... Wow, didn't we do an analysis of this a long time ago? Look at that. What the heck happened here, man? Did he do it a stock split or something? First up, support and resistance. He is risen. If you are rich, then prove it. Become a member, bro. I want to see if that's real or not. Support and resistance. Getting some levels here. Bro, look at this. Look at this tough resistance here. Mira esto, bro. It's a tough. Let me go ahead and get my horizontal raise. This is gonna... Horizontal raise, I actually like them a lot. So, it will mark up my support and resistance. These are the levels. Okay, perfect. I see a flag that formed here. And it's trying to break out. It broke out. You can see that it tried to go up. Right? And it's actually not looking bad. If you were to get in... If I were to get in this, it will be a very minor position. Because I already know the risk of this going to zero is high. So since it is a penny stock, I'm thinking that you're trying to just like double your account and that's it. And get out. And let me see over here. So you already reached this area. Look. Literally went to this area and it rejected. And I will say, yeah, this is the zone, bro. Strong zone there. It went back down. Wow, it went up in a week and back down. So this has given us a cross. Boom, up, down. And now for the daily, I don't really know what to say, my friend, other than this is in a price that is a support. I will wait though. Let's look at the 1 hour. I will wait for confirmations, but in my perspective, I'm gonna be very, very honest now. This looks like a pump and dump. This over here was a pump and dump. I don't like pump and dumps. Look, this here, pump and dump. Literally, look, it went from 77. Mira, this open here, it went up to 111, back down to 43, liquidating back up to 58. That's the candle we got. That's horrible. That's no bueno. Something that I like, I would like to see. This already have created. See, it broke the trend line there. I would like to see some confirmations. Like, for example, over here we had like a double bottom. We need to have a double bottom there, at least, to go up. You can see that this is a support, so we are in a support area. It's too flat to confirm anything, you can see. And let's see if there's any news for this coming up. Oops, espérate. Get my here. Academy Sports Energy Stocks First Energy Unicisive share slides. Okay, this is the reason why it wasn't a pump and dump necessarily. There's a reason why this happened. Welcome. But David, I might be getting the next step with my stepsis. What? What, bro? Wait, what? What? No, bro, that's how he is risen. What are you talking about, bro? Buying her a house and she's into me. Congratulations, I guess. Stepsister. Golden age. Don't fight the Fed. Said getting rich thanks to Trump. Susan, welcome. Susan Burns, welcome. I think I started to watch you on 2021. Wow, 2021. Hello, is this a music channel or stocks channel? It's actually the Deived channel. So just to tell you a little bit more about this channel. So I am passionate about stocks and crypto, but I do music. Okay. Hadouken, welcome Alan Gomez. I had 80K and my friend told me to buy bitty Bitcoin at 5K and I lost all my money on stocks. Wow. Wait, what? So you could have entered bitty Bitcoin at 5K. You could have bought 80. Let's do the math real quick, bro. But anyways, Unicisive, this is the reason why the share went down, bro. Flax issues related to kidney drug application. That's why it went up and down. Well, let me pull up a calculator. I want to see real quick. Should I keep this channel as it is, music and stocks, or should I just remove stocks and crypto at forever and just focus on music? What do you guys think? Let me know. Welcome, Fat Nuts. Welcome. I know I'm doing both live streams right now. Vertical and horizontal. And I see that there's people on both. Let me confirm over here. Yow, 2021. Welcome to Doobie 16. What does 16 mean? I can create another channel for stocks only, bro. Welcome, Angelic Rulers. What's up, my bro? How you doing? You doing good? Let me make sure that I'm doing this correctly. I don't know, bro. Fuel cell creeping up. Let's take a look at fuel cell. But let me do the math, bro. So if you add 80,000 divided by 5,000, you would have had 16 bitcoins. And 16 bitcoins time, let's put 110. You would have had 1.7 million. Wow. With 80K, bro. 80K is a lot of money, bro. But I'm sure, yeah, you lost a lot in the stock market, right? Yeah, stock market could be a gamble sometimes. The market is open, by the way, guys. But crypto is a gamble too, bro. Look, we're at 109,000 with Bitcoin, but the other day we reached 111. We're back down to 100,000, so that's not fun. If you had balls of steel, I guess you will be fine. But when you have the technicals, it will definitely guide you to make better decisions. Not the best decision. It won't be the best decision all the time, but it will help you, guide you, okay? Look at this. I see a strong resistance, and Bitcoin is at 109,400s. Even though this guy, Michael Saylor, is saying he's still bullish on it. I'm still bullish on it, though. Let me look at the DXY. DXY creating a support. It may break this support. Let me see. Oh, yeah, bro. This may be broken, bro. It's super easy. DXY can go back down to this 200 EMA at 96. This could be an area that I'm going to consider a lot of. I'm going to make a lot of decisions when it reaches this area. I will say even a little bit lower. Maybe 94. If you don't know what the DXY is, you should definitely learn a little bit about it. Let me remove all of this, guys. Got a new month. I want to clean it up. By the way, guys, you want me to do only stock videos, or should I remove the music videos, huh? Ooh, actually, this is actually looking bad for the month. There's a strong zone there. Nah, it's not looking well. It's not looking good. Let's look at the market open. Onsi got in at 0.56 already. Oh, you got it? Stocks only? I just want you to be you. Whatever your passion is, do it. That's literally what I think about it, bro. It's YouTube, right? It's my channel. I do whatever I want, right? Especially this channel, not the gaming channel. Gaming channel is gaming over here. King David is like literally my gaming channel. And in here, I'm just doing music and stocks because I love both, bro. So the market is not doing a lot. Look at this. It's so flat, bro. The only thing that's moving is literally Tesla and freaking TMO. Oh, I see a little bit of green over here. WBD. Okay, Warner Bros. I got some Warner Bros. EL. Okay. Let me take a look at Fuel Cell. Just for fat nuts. Hey, Rostam. Consider becoming a member, bro. When you become a member, you're basically helping me grow my career in this YouTube world. Fuel Cell getting a little bit of electricity. Let's remove everything here. Let me see. Remove 20 drawings. I don't want to have anything there, bro. Oh my god, we're getting a RSI cross, bro. RSI cross, bro. Bro, this is literally a support level. Look at the RSI. It's getting across here. Super very low, but we're at a support area. Now, this one may be crazy, bro. To get in this one will be a little bit crazy. Look at that. Boom. You had a sell over here at 11.6. At 690. Let's go to the daily. Oh, wow. Espérate. What I will do for this one is to wait a little bit more. But this price won't come back. 688. We were at 392. It's a little bit overbought in the lower time frame in the daily. 4 hours. Let's see. Bro, we're getting the golden cross here, man. Look at this. I'm still holding some of my positions in Fuel Cell. But we're getting a little bit of momentum here. You got the resistance there rejecting. But we're still in this little uptrend. So definitely want to keep an eye on that. And look, we even broke this upward channel. We're at this tough resistance. You can see here. Now what we want to do is a break of a trend line. So I will wait for a break of a trend line like this. So let's say the price goes over here and then boom, bounces up, bounces down, boom. That's all we want to see. And if you go closer, every time we break trend lines, that's a good entry. Boom, 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 boom. That's what we want to see. Not bad. Not bad, fat nuts. Good stuff, bro. GME? Yeah, let's take a look at GME. You're up 20%? Let's go, bro. In Aussie? Let's go. How did you get in that one, bro? Oh, bro, you're good. You're good. If you're up 20%, what is your trading strategy, bro? Like, are you gonna take out, I don't know, like your initial investment and let everything else ride? You can do that, bro. It's a free trade. You know what I mean? Let that 20% just go off. Bro, is that, look at that volatility on that weekly candle, man. If it closes bullish by the end of the week, you should be good, bro. Because if it closes bullish, yeah, it will have to go back to 77 cents. Good stuff, Rostam. You're doing good, bro. Oh, you're in fuel cell? Yeah, me too, bro. Oh, you have 5K stocks. You did 20%. Let's go, Rostam. Bro, that's what I like to hear, bro. Yes, sir. Rostam with the clutch, bro. Making some profits already, man. Good stuff, bro. Good stuff. Oh, I'm so sorry, guys. I wasn't showing the price. I want you guys to see the price of the chart. Good stuff, Rostam. Now you can pay a membership here. I'm kidding, bro. It's actually good, bro. Very happy for you, bro. Okay. Anything else you guys want me to review before I keep checking my things? Because I got some stuff that I want to review. Man, even Dogecoin went up. I entered at 18 cents. I made some mistakes with Euro USD today, bro. I was in Euro USD sells. It went up. I don't know why I got some sells. It was looking very bullish. UAP USD 1.35. USD APY 144.91. Oh, because of the CPI news. That's what happened, bro. CPI news hits, pam, pam, makes the move, liquidates, and continues with the momentum it had. Let me look at the DXY real quick. Yeah, the XY is rejecting here. Bro, will this actually hold up? Doesn't look like it, but I wouldn't even enter right now. It's too sideways. US dollar weakens on soft inflation data. Oh, that's why. Bitcoin 109,877. Bro, Bitcoin's gonna continue with the upside. Look at that. Definitely will. Looks too bullish for me, man. So bullish. Look at that. Ethereum 2,804. XRP 2.32. I'm glad I got back in XRP and Bitcoin. Cardano 0.72. I had entries at 66 cents and we're doing good. Look at that. Solana 166. Wow, 166. Oh, he went to 143. Man, when I went to Colombia, everything was going down and then boom, started to go up. So literally, I went to Colombia on Thursday. Yeah, so literally, I'm starting to go to Colombia, things go down, then everything starts to go up. Let's see. XRP crypto interested in? Yeah, me too. APLD? I got you, bro. APLD. Apply Digital Corporation. Yeah, I'm in XRP, bro. I've been holding XRP for so long. I was trying to time the market It doesn't help, bro. Just get in whenever you can. Bro, this looks not something like I will invest in. It's at 12.10. The highest peak 112? What's crazy, bro? The monthly was looking good. This has to retrace after that bullish engulfing. Just find a spot where to re-enter. So where can it re-enter? Oof. Oh, look at the RSI, bro. Look at the daily RSI. I will keep an eye on the RSI, bro. And the 2-pole oscillator hasn't given us a sign that it will go down, but it definitely can go down. Sample here. December, it went down. We got some buys. It did go up, but then it just didn't do it good enough. Back in 685, it did go up. Sells at 862. It went down to 370s. We got a buy signal at 360s. We don't have any signal right now, but I would say just wait now. We're overbought in the daily. And if we are going to continue with the momentum, maybe a retest of the trend line will be good. So maybe 970s. Could be. It could be. It could be. Or wait for this trend line to break. Okay, that's it. That's it. That's the trend line we wanted to see. Okay, this is starting to look better now. Watch the 1 hour time frame, bro. 1 hour time frame for this. Already broke the uptrend trend line. You can see here. So wait for this downtrend trend line to be broken. Whenever it's broken, that's when you can capitalize. And XRP, I'm in it. Like I said, 2.318. Not bad. Not bad at all. Dímelo, Angelic Rulers. How you doing, bro? Angelic Rulers, I should make you a moderator here, bro. Anything else you guys want me to review? Yeah, bro. Just keep an eye on that, bro. On APLD. Like, at least now, you got a little bit of clarity, right? Mira, even the 12... Mira, look at this. The 15-minute time frame. Hit the 200 EMA. Something to watch out for. But higher time frames always most important, bro. Lower time frames good, it's fine for entries, but not for take profits or stop losses. Or bounces. And if you are smart, do sniper entries with buy limits and sell limits. So that means that whenever the price reaches a certain price point, let's say that you have a buy limit, I want to say over here at 767, right? You have a buy limit there. And you're like, man, I really wish it could go down there. You have some buys. It won't activate until it goes down and goes back up again. That's when it buys. That's one of the best strategies for entries. If you were to do let's say a buy stop, in this particular case it wouldn't work down. It will have to be above, like here. Let's say that you believe it can go up. Well, the buy stop will be activated once it reaches the price and goes higher. Boom. Only concern about that, for example, in this area, is that it can create a double top, hit it, and go back down. And that's not what you want. So buy limits, once again, will be one of the best strategies. Boom, goes up, boom, and it gets activated. And you can minimize your stop loss because you can say, if this goes lower than 634, I don't want to be in it. Hopefully that makes sense. Let me look at KAR. My friend is in this open lane company and he's doing very, very well. It's at 23.91. And this one is actually looking phenomenal, guys. Look at this. One of the best structures that I've seen. Boom, 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 boom. And it's going to retest this area. You're going to see. We're going to go to 28.59. He's been entering since $13 around this area. He's been entering in all of this. Actually, he works in the company and he gets discounted price for stocks. So I believe this is gonna go up and it may even go higher. Not gonna lie, bro. This is actually looking phenomenal. One of the best structures that I've seen. You can even do a Fibonacci from the highs to the lows, and this can even go to $40, bro. And he's already making a lot of money. While crypto is sometimes a little bit uncertain, certain companies can be very good to just get in. Look at Bitcoin, bro. But anyways, guys, anything else you want me to review? Oh, GME. Sorry, Bob. Sorry, Bob. Let's look at GME. 28.94, 28.96. It's been a while since I looked at this chart. So let's see what we got. Bob, I see consolidation here, man. Strong zone. It's consolidation, bro. It can go either way, right? We don't know. Supposedly GME bought Bitcoin, right? Let me see. Oh, but there's earnings. GameStop price target maintained with a 13.5 share by Wedbush. 13.5, bro. That means it's gonna go down. By Wedbush. 13.5 is over here, bro. Oof. So let's go ahead and add that target, bro. It's just that what is you can buy products online, bro. It's the only concern. And see earnings. Oh, they already got the earnings, bro. Yesterday, it happened. Meta reported 0.17, estimated 0.08. Surprise was 0.09, 112.5% up. Revenue 732.4 million, estimated 750. It was down 17.6 million. There you go. That's the reason why we're down. See that? Let's look at the weekly. Yeah, so we're consolidating, bro. And Wedbush is saying, oh, it can go back down, and that's the support area we got over here, bro. Literally the zone. That's crazy. Look at that. So Wedbush is saying, no, this is gonna go down, bro. And it did go up. It did go up in this support area that we created. Let me see something real quick. I'm looking at the RSI, okay? So give me a second. So I'm gonna mark up every time the RSI crosses, so you have a little bit of a visibility of when the price changes every time we cross in the RSI here. So we may get one cross here that's coming up. Hasn't been confirmed just yet, but you can see that every time we cross, we change direction. Okay? Look. We crossed here, we went down. We crossed here, we went up. We crossed here, we went down. We crossed here, we went up. And we're getting a cross here, so we might as well go down, bro. And where it will stop, well, maybe that $20 or that target of Wedbush. Wedbush has been very good, and once we get that other cross, then we just get up. Okay, that's the quick analysis that I see using the RSI, bro. I think that's very helpful, even for me, bro. I'm looking for good entries too, so keep an eye on that. Okay. Perfect, Bob. Just watch out, okay? Just be careful with puts. I don't like options, bro. Be very, very careful. SE, I got you, bro. Yeah, I gotta go to work too. And guys, don't forget to like the live stream, as you already know. Liking the live stream helps, and if you like to share this live stream as well, will be very helpful. So let's see. We've been good with SE, huh? I actually wrote this with you. Let me see what's happening with my computer here. Look at this. What's happening with my browser? Okay, here we go. SE, we're doing good. We've been doing good. We're still in an uptrend. Let's look at our RSI, the monthly. You can see we are in overbought territory. We may get a cross very soon, so want to watch out for that. But not yet. Not yet. Look at the RSI once again, bro. See, when we get the cross, get out, bro. Even if it's making profits, gotta be careful with that. Let's go to the weekly. Yeah, we are in overbought territory. You can see we had a cross over here, and we did go up. We're getting a new cross, and we might go down. We're already going down. So watch for that. And if you look at the 2-pole oscillator, we already got a sell signal. So might as well wait now for a break of a trend line. If you're already in profits, maybe you want to lock in some profits. We already have gone up to 170s, now back to 150s. May go down to even 130s, 140s. But the 1 hour, interesting, the 1 hour. Keep an eye on the 1 hour, bro. Might get one more bounce before we do anything else. But yes, the trend line, keep an eye on that, okay? If you're looking for buys, wait for that break. You might as well go even here, bro. Like I said, 130s. Overall, still in an uptrend. Let me do a Fibonacci real quick. Yeah, we reach a Fibonacci level, bro. That's why the retracement is happening, okay? Hey, at least he's following the structure, bro. Thank you, sir. Appreciate it. Well, guys, I think that's gonna be it for today. Let me see the DXY. Yeah, the DXY is still down. So that means that, yeah, we got some green here and there. Let me look at Rivian 1454. Okay. Not bad, not bad. Still doing good. Holding up. The retest of the flag. Hopefully we'll hold up. Ricey 1218. Oof. Man, I really got lucky with Ricey, bro. Enter at 150s. Palantir 133. SENS 0.51. And let me see. Silly motherfucker. Nothing but a city boy. Stock market heat map. Let's refresh. before I go, because I got a lot of stuff to do. We're very, very neutral, bro. Neutral. At least it's better than red, huh? In crypto bubbles, last hour, we got some red and we got some green. Paul. Oh my god, Matic finally going up. What the heck? A big Giga Chat, bro. What the heck, Giga Chat? I still got some Giga Chat. It's crazy. Ghost. Pangu 2%. Okay. A lot of meme coins going up. Man, that SCNS, bro. I really want to see SCNS up. Oh, there's an event coming up. I forgot about that. Yeah, ADA event. This is going to be important, bro. I think I might do a video about this because I do like SCNS, Sensionics. But we need some more news. We need some good numbers. A lot of people are very disappointed with the numbers, but I'm not disappointed because when you work on a new product, bro, you gotta wait, bro. And you can see that we are looking for that ADA event, and we're looking for that European market to be an important one for us. I think that's gonna be an important role, bro. It's gonna be key. Watch out for that, bro. But anyways, guys, we're going to leave it there. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, ring the bells. You get notified every time we are online. We do the videos con mucho, mucho amor. Listen to my music, Deived, on all streaming platforms. And as always, have a beautiful day. Let's go!